solve for x log 3x square plus 10x plus x is equal to 3. So here given log 3x square plus 10x base x is equal to 3. This one how we can do that? Log x base a is equal to n. Okay, write this exponent form. A for n is equal to x. Okay, so this one we can write as 3x square plus 10x is equal, this x is going x cube. Okay, here plus 3x square plus 10x. This 2 is going to right side what happen? Minus. So 0 is equal x cube minus 3x square plus minus 10x. Here in these three terms, what the common x? X is taking outside. 0 is equal x of x square minus 3x minus 10. Okay, so here this one x of x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. So the product of two polynomials is 0. Either first polynomial is 0 or second polynomial is 0. Okay, so x is equal to 0. X square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, for this one polynomial find the factors. Here x square quotient is how much? 1. Constant is how much? 10. 1 times 10. So 10 factors are what? 1, 2, 5, 10. In these factors of 10, we take any two factors, their sum or subtraction is become x quotient. So that is x square, here 3 more, minus 3, how we can get? Minus 5 plus 2. Okay, minus 5 into 2, minus 10. So which factors we take? Their sum or subtraction is become x quotient and their product is become 10. Okay, so x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. So x of, in this two what the common ma? X of x minus 5. In this two what the common? 2. 2 into x, 2 into 5. So in this two term what the common? 2. 2 of x minus 5 is equal to 0. In this total what the common? X minus 5. So x minus 5 of x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so the product of two polynomials is 0. Either first polynomial is 0 or second polynomial is 0. So x minus 5 is equal to 0. X plus 2 is equal to 0. So minus 5 is going to result what happen? Plus. X is equal to 5. Plus 2 is going to result what happen? Minus. So for suppose they are asking that, okay, what is asking? Solve for x. So what the x values are? 0, 5, minus 2. Okay now? Next one, solve for x log x square minus 3x plus 5 base x plus 1 is equal to 2. So here's given log x square minus 3x plus 5 base x plus 1 is equal to, here also same manner, log x base a is equal to n. You can write in the logarithm, you can write in exponent form. A for n is equal to x. Okay, so here this one you can write as x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal x plus 1 whole square. Okay, this logarithm you can write in exponent form. Okay, so x plus 1 whole square. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square formula is what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so here x square plus 2x plus 1. So x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal x square plus 2x plus 1. So take the variable term is one side, constant term is one side. Okay, x square minus 3x plus 5 minus x square minus 2x is equal to 1 plus 5 is going to happen minus, okay, plus x square cancel, minus 3x minus 2x minus 5x is equal 1 minus 5, okay, minus 5x is equal 1 minus 5 minus 4. So here we want x minus 5x means minus 5 into x. This minus 5 you have multiple. This multiple is going to divide. So x is equal minus 4 by minus 5. Minus minus cancel. That is x is equal 4 by 5. This is the value of x. Next, solve for x. Log x square plus 3 base 2x square plus 3x plus 5 base x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so first given, what we given, write down now. So log x square plus 3 base 2x square plus 3x plus 5 base x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here we can apply the logarithm, we can write in exponent form. So log x base a is equal to n. We can write in exponent form. A for n is equal x. A for n is equal x. Okay, here we can write here. Okay, here log of base is what, this one. Here we can use the logarithm. We can in the form of exponent form. So log, when you write in exponent form, log x square plus 3 base 2x square plus 3x plus 5 is equal, log of number base x square plus 1 is equal to 0. For this, apply the exponent form. We can get as x square plus x plus 1 is equal power 0. So base is anything, power is 0. Its value is 1. So log x square plus 3 base 2x square plus 3x plus 5 is equal to how much more? 1. Okay, so next, here also same this logarithm form we can write in exponent form. That is x square plus 3 is equal to x square plus 3x plus 5 whole power 1. So the power is 1, the symbol is same. So here x square plus 3 is equal to x square plus 3x plus 5. So take the variable is one side, constant is one side. So 3 minus 5 plus x square is going to happen minus. So 2x square plus 3x minus x square. So 3 minus 5 minus 2 plus 2x square minus x square plus 3x. Minus 2 is going to happen plus, so x square plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Here apply here it is a quadratic equation. It is non-algebraic identity expression. So how we can find the factors? X square quotient is how much? There is no quotient. What the quotient? 1. Constant 2. 1 into 2, 2. So 2 factors. What are they? 1, 2. Okay, the sum of two factors or difference of the two factors is become x quotient. X quotient is how much? 3. So 1 plus 2, 3. Okay, so here x square plus, in the place of 3 we can write as 2 plus 1. That is 2x plus 1x plus this 2 we can write as 2 into 1 is equal to 0. First these two term what the common x. So x of x plus 2. Next these two term what the common 1. X plus 2 is equal to 0. The total what the common x plus 2. So x plus 2 is taking outside. What the remaining? X 1. Okay, x plus 1 is equal to 0. So the product of two polynomials is 0. That means either first polynomial is 0 or second polynomial is 0. So x plus 2 is equal to 0. X plus 1 is equal to 0. Plus 2 is going to result minus 2. Okay. So what are the x values? Minus 2, minus 1. Solve for x. Log x square minus 4x plus 3 base 5 is equal log 3x plus 21 base 5. Okay, here we know that one formula is there. LHS and RHS, two logarithms, having the base is same, then the numbers is also same. So, for example, okay, formula log m base a is equal log n base a, then m is equal n. This is one law of logarithm. Okay, no? So here given log x square minus 4x plus 3 base 5 is equal log 3x plus 21 base 5. So the law we can apply here in these two LHS and RHS. The logs and base is same, then the numbers is also same. So that is x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal 3x plus 21. So here take this two term LHS, x square minus 4x plus 3 minus 3x minus 21 is equal 0. So x square minus 4x minus 3x minus 7x plus 3 minus 21 minus 18 is equal 0. Okay. So it is a quadratic equation. X square minus 7x minus 18 is a quadratic equation. It is non-algebraic identity expression. So we can find the factors. Here x square quotient is 1, constant is 18. So x square minus 7x minus 18 is equal 0. So the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. In these factors, we take any two factors, their sum or subtraction is become x quotient. X quotient is how much here? 7. So which factors we take, their sum or difference is become 7. Okay, so here which factors are 2, 9. So 2 minus 9 is how much? Minus 7. 2 into 9 how much? 18. Okay, which factor we take, their product is also we can get as 18. So x square plus 2x minus 9x minus 18 is equal 0. So in these two what the common? X of x plus 2. In these two what the common? 9. 9x means 9x, 18 means 9 2. So minus 9 is taking outside. What the remaining? X plus 2 is equal 0. So in this total what the common? X plus 2. So x plus 2 of what the remaining? X minus 9. Okay, so the product of two polynomials is 0. Either first polynomial is 0 or second polynomial is 0. So x plus 2 is equal 0. X minus 9 is equal 0. So plus 2 is going to set minus 2. Minus 9 is going to set plus 9. So what are the values? X is equal minus 2, x is equal 9.